Good morning. Welcome to our life class. Yes, children, now it's time for the exam. So, get ready for the exam. Isn't it very interesting that you are giving your exam sitting in your home? But we miss our classroom, right? Yes, I miss my classroom and I miss my beloved and dear children very much nowadays because we are missing our classroom, we are missing our worksheets, we are missing the class where we are able to, where we can give the exam sitting beside my classmate. Yes, children, I know you are missing the school very much, but what we can do, because we have to face this situation, but still it's a great opportunity that we can able to give the exam after studying all the chapters for these months. Now we are get ready to give the exam through this life class. Yes, now today we will finish this chapter, the food, and then we will do some exercises from this chapter. By the exercises we will come to an end for this chapter and we will finish our syllabus for the month of August. Okay, then we will do the revision for our exam. So first we will start through the revision of this chapter that we have already started in the last week. The name of the chapter is food. Okay, so what is the spelling of food? Yes, children. Yes, the spelling of food is F-O-O-D. Food is such a thing which is very essential for all the living beings, whether the human beings, whether the animals, whether the plants. Without food, we are not able to move a single inch from our place. So, am I right? Yes, the plant also need food, otherwise they will not grow properly. If the plants not grow properly, then they will not give the food for us. Then if we not get the food, then we can we able to grow or can we able to do our work properly? No, because food is such a thing that help us to grow and stay alive. Now we should eat those kind of foods that are very much essential for our health, that is good for our health, and that are hygienic. Hygienic means that are clean food. Okay, it is not me, it is that it doesn't mean that we should eat any kind of food to keep us health, to keep us alive, and we should get the energy from every kind of food. No, it is not the correct answer. We should eat healthy and hygienic food that keeps our body fit for a longer time and that gives our body that gives our body a strength to do every kind of work. So children, in the last class I have started this chapter, that the page number is 68. We have started already what is the food and why do we need food. I have given some points. I have shown you through the video that besides the answer which is given in the book that we need food to grow and stay alive, I have shown you 3 points. That is, it help us to do the work, it help us to create the new body cells, and even if we get injured or we have some infections in our body, food help us to overcome all these situations. So food is very important for our life. Now in order to grow big and healthy, we should eat healthy food. So what is the meaning of healthy food, children? Healthy food means the food which is good for our health and the food which is very much clean and hygienic. So in the page number 70, I have shown you the picture, what are the healthy foods we must eat and we must include in our diet. Yes, there are some foods which we should include in our daily diet, whether it is in the breakfast or whether it is in the lunch or whether it is in the dinner. So it also makes us strong and fit. Food gives us the strength. Strength means the energy by which we can able to work throughout the day. Yes, fruits, vegetable, milk and milk products, eggs, fish, pulses, nuts, cereals and meat are all healthy foods. These are all healthy foods. We should include all these type of foods in our diet. Okay. And what is the meaning of hygienic? Hygienic means clean. That means when your father brings all the vegetables and fruits from the market, what is your mother used to do? Your mother wash the fruits and vegetables properly and make them to dry for some time. After that, she will serve this to you. So that means your mother is cleaning the fruits and vegetables that are coming from the market, because in the market is open place where each of the individuals are choosing the fruits and vegetables with their hands. So it may be dirty. That's why we should clean and wash the fruits and vegetable before we eat. So that means that we should eat hygienic food. And what are the milk products? Yogurt, cheese, paneer, ghee, butter, all these are yogurt. All these are milk products. That means the things which are made from milk, that the main components of these things are milk. From milk it has been made. So these are called milk products. Now children, go to the next page, that is page number 71. Let me open that page, 1 minute. I will open that page. Just a minute. Yes. See this page number 71. At the top there is a table. This one is for your homework. Okay, we eat different foods for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Write down the food that you usually eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner in the table. There are 3 columns are there: breakfast, lunch and dinner. According to your meal, you will write here the foods which you take as breakfast, or you take in the lunch or in the dinner. Suppose you eat milk and bread in the morning, that means in the breakfast, so you will write here milk and then bread. Suppose you take rice, dal, fish curry in the lunch. Then in the dinner you have chicken soup and roti, or chicken soup and rice. Whatever you take, you will mention here. But write you will numbering the food, okay, like 1, 2 and 3. By this you will name the food which you take in the breakfast, in the lunch and the dinner. This is your homework. Now come to the next point, that is unhealthy food. Now what is the meaning of unhealthy? From the meaning itself we can understand that is not healthy, that is not good for us. The foods which we eat sometimes for our refreshment or for our entertainment, or sometimes when we go outside, suppose in the shopping mall or watching a movie, we used to take popcorns, then french fries, cold drinks. Now if you eat all these things frequently, this is not good for your health, because it has some bad effects. What is the meaning of bad effects? That means it will not keep your health in a good condition. Okay, unhealthy food means food that is harmful to our body. Harmful means that is not good for our health, that is bad. Okay, food that is unhygienic, that is not cleaned, is called also unhealthy food. Suppose you are having an egg roll from the roadside shop. So roadside shop means that is not very much clean, and they are not following all the safety measures as in the big restaurants. So that is not healthy for you to eat the egg roll every time. Okay, suppose you are having fuchkas from the roadside, that is healthy or unhealthy? It is not very much healthy. Okay, so eating fuchkas is not bad, but if you eat it daily, once a time you eating some 2 or 3 fuchkas with your mother or father, that is not a big problem. But if you eat them regularly, then it is not good for you. Okay, so avoid such foods frequently. Okay, now we are all eating french fries, potato wafers, burgers and pizzas. These are all example of unhealthy foods, because these are all junk food or fast food which affect our health, that makes our health ill. Okay, sometimes we fall sick after eating all this food, because they are not very much hygiene, that these foods are not very much clean. That's why we have some problems in our stomach. We are facing stomach pain, sometimes we are having loose motions and fever or body ache or headache. So all these are the symptoms due to the unhygienic food. Unhealthy food makes us overweight, and now suppose you are eating the chips regularly, as nowadays we are not able to do all such exercises, or we are not able to play the games. So sitting in a room and watching the televisions or doing the online classes, having chips or pizzas or burgers every day, it also causes overweight. That means you gain weight, and if you gain weight, that means you are not healthy, because gaining weight is not a good for our health. Okay, so you should avoid all such unhealthy foods. Okay children, next go to the next page. See, this one is the classwork we will do in the next live class. Not before that, you will not do here. Okay, I will give the answer in the next live class. Don't do it at your home. We will do this in the next live class. Repeatedly I am telling you that this page number 72 we will do in the next live class. I will tell the answer at that time. So next, in the brush up, see, this is a summary for the entire chapter. What we eat or drink is called food. Whether we drink some juice or whether we drink milk, that is also food. And whether we chew the food with the help of teeth, like the hard foods like the biscuit or vegetables or chicken or fish, that is also food. We need food to grow and stay alive. Why do we need food? We need food to grow and stay alive. Next is healthy food help us to become strong and healthy. If we able to take the healthy food regularly, then our body will remain strong and healthy. And what is unhealthy foods? What is the impact of unhealthy food? Unhealthy food makes us overweight and ill. Sometimes it makes us to fall sick, and it will gain weight in our body. Okay, so these are the important points from the entire chapter. Now go to the next page. This you will do in your book. Okay, try to do by yourself. I will give the answer along with the solved paper in the study material section. So the fill in the missing letters. What we eat or drink is called dash. Unhealthy food can make us dash. Dash is a healthy food. Then you have to write true, T for true and F for false. Pizza is a healthy food. Nuts are healthy. Food help us to grow. Now in the next below that there is a picture you have to do. You have to tick the healthy food and cross in front of those that are unhealthy. See, there are bananas, then vegetables, fruits, pizza, then juice, then burger. These are all the mixed of unhealthy and healthy foods are there, which you will think the food is healthy, you will put a tick, and if you think the food is not healthy, it is unhealthy, then you will put a cross. This is the thing you will do by yourself as homework. Okay, next go to the next page. This thing you will do in the book. In the space given, paste a sticker for healthy food that you would like to eat. If you will stick any one healthy food here and write its name. You can draw also. If you don't get the sticker, if you are not able to go outside, then you will draw any one healthy food and write its name. Okay, next is, see, go to the next page. Next page is there. You have to draw two healthy or two or more three healthy foods in the space given below. So you have how many homeworks you have? You have one in page number 71. See, this one you will do in page number 71. Then you will do this one, page number 73, and then page number 74 and 75. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 homework you will do by yourself, and all the answers I will send through study material, and the classwork that is on page number 72, that you will not do because we will do it in the live class. Okay children, so start your preparation for the exam, and before that you must complete this chapter, because this chapter is the last chapter before the exam, which will be held very soon. After completing this chapter, we will do some revisions in the live class, and also I will send some revisions in the Sunday schedule. Okay, so try to finish all your pending works till date, and after that we will start our revisions. Till then, have a nice day, stay safe with your family member. We will very soon meet in the live class. Till then, good.